What is the encapsulation?
Encapsulation means binding the data together into a single unit. So let's have a real life example. So there is a word that is capsule. So what capsule is doing? Capsule is wrapping the data into a single unit and providing the protection by using that plastic cover. Okay, so same thing happened with the programming. So class is the best example of the encapsulation. So what class is doing? Class is wrapping the data and member functions methods into a single unit. Okay, and we providing the protection like by using a access modifier, public, private and protected. Okay, so class is the best way to bind the data into a single unit, that is encapsulation.
Okay, so fine. So what is the tightly encapsulation in Java?
Tightly encapsulation means if all the data member of the class are private, declared as a private, okay, so that is said to be a tightly encapsulated class.
Okay, so you are saying all data members which we declare a private is considered as a tightly encapsulation. So how can we access a private data member outside a class?
Yes, actually generally we are having a question if all the data member declared as in the class as a private, so how we can access that? Of course it is possible by using the getter setter method. So we have to create the getter setter method and then we can access that private data. So same getter setter we can create in Python and Java also.